Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix your Windows shortcut key of snipping tool is not working on your Windows 11. So how to fix this irritating problem? Now in this video we'll learn this guys. Okay, so to enable the snipping tool on your PC using shortcut keyboard shortcut, you can use the shortcut key Windows key button plus shift key button and then press S from your keyboard. It will activate the snipping tool on your PC as you can see, but the shortcut key is not working on your PC. Now try these fixes to fix this problem. So first you need to check your keyboard. Your keyboard keys are working fine properly or not. First you need to check this. Okay, if your keyboard keys are working fine properly, after then you're facing this kind of problem, you can try this next method. Now you need to open the task manager on your PC. Okay, so to open the task manager, right click on your start menu like this. From here open the task manager. Okay, in the task manager guys, you need to find out Windows Explorer. Right click on the Windows Explorer and restart it. Okay, after doing this guys, now check your problem was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now you can try this next method. First, now you need to restart your PC. Okay, after restarting, open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and press I. This is a shortcut key to open your Windows settings. Okay, in the Windows settings, go to system and in this system go to notification. From here you need to check your notifications was enabled or not. First you need to enable the notification. After enabling the notification, here you can get the snipping tool app. Also you need to enable this app notification also. Okay, after doing this guys, now check your problem was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now you need to update your PC. To update the PC, once again open your Windows settings like this. In the Windows settings guys, here in the left panel you can get the option Windows Update. Just open it. From here you need to update your PC. That's it. Okay, so after updating, hopefully this time it will fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.